Startpage Privacy Protection across the internet. In this short video, we'll show you how you can take better control of your personal data with one easy install. If Chrome is your browser of choice, watch this video to understand how to install and use Startpage Privacy Protection. First, in your address URL bar, enter add.startpage.com/protection, and you'll be taken to this landing page complete with key details about the extension. As you can see when scrolling, the top features include setting Startpage as your default search engine, preventing your searches from being saved or linked to your history, sending the global privacy control signal to websites you visit, preventing browser fingerprinting, automatically blocking trackers and cookies, providing safe social options, and displaying privacy rankings for your browsing activity. If all of that online protection sounds like something you want, then next you'll scroll back to the top and click Add to Chrome. From here, you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store and will click on the Add to Chrome button in the top right corner. Chrome will ask for your confirmation, so click Yes, Add Extension. Excellent! You've successfully added the extension, and Startpage will now take you through 3 steps to make sure you're all set. First, be sure to pin the icon in the toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon in the top right and pinning the extension. Next, locate the Startpage shield icon in your toolbar, which will open the extension and give you the option to take a welcome tutorial. We'll take it together. Let's go. Here, it lets you know that you're able to turn privacy protection both on and off, providing you full control. You can see privacy scores per website ranging from 1, meaning the most third-party tracking, to 5, meaning no third-party tracking. You will have the ability to manage trackers and cookies with options to block all, block only cookies, or allow all. The default setting is block all. And lastly is your privacy score summary. This is a privacy report visualizing the percentage of websites ranging from 1 to 5 that you visit. For the third and final step, you'll want to try a private search directly in your URL bar to confirm that the extension is working. Let's search for the weather in our headquarters in the Netherlands. Chrome might ask you if you want to switch back to Google search engine, but no, you want to keep your privacy, so you will keep Startpage as your default search engine by clicking Keep It. All right, we can see that the extension is indeed now working to protect your privacy because we've safely landed on Startpage's private search results page. The private weather feature has been triggered simply by including the location of where we wanted to know the weather. In this search, no IP address or personal data was passed. Let's scroll down to our web results to see how the extension performs when visiting other websites. Here we are looking at a weather website. We'll click into the extension via the shield icon, and we can see that this website is receiving a privacy score of 1 out of 5, which is the lowest. And that's because it contains several trackers, including 1 or more first-party tracker and high-risk trackers. It may also not be using HTTPS. The extension has automatically blocked 22 trackers and 1 cookies for you. And if you click into Manage Trackers and Cookies, this shows you both the major and minor trackers being used on this website. Since it's not so safe here, let's close this window and return to Startpage's private search results. We'd also like to show you how Anonymous View private browsing works. To open a website using Anonymous View, click the mask icon to the left of the web result. The Startpage blue border will appear around the window and signifies that Anonymous View is on and you are now invisible. The website now only sees that Startpage is visiting and not you. You can also explore pages throughout the website without any trace of being there. To exit, simply click the X in the bottom right corner or close the window. Let's now return to the Startpage homepage and take another look at the extension. As you can see, since you're on Startpage.com, the privacy score is 5 out of 5, meaning there is no tracking occurring. Let's take a final look at the extension's privacy report by clicking on the chart icon at the top right. Here, you'll see a breakdown of privacy scores by percentage of total sites visited, as well as the total amount of trackers and cookies that have been blocked. This number will continue to tally and grow as you explore more and more websites. We'll also show you the percentage breakdown of major versus minor trackers and allow you to reset your privacy report whenever you want, really making sure all of the control is in your hands. Well, that's the end of our tour for Startpage Privacy Protection. We hope you install the extension for yourself to start protecting your personal data. Please let us know what you think, as we value your feedback and really look forward to hearing from you.